I think you're searching about smart touch switch, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality smart touch switch. Need free shipping smart touch switch. Looking for smart touch switch having long mechanical life? Looking for waterproof and anti-creeping smart touch switch? If the answer is yes, then let's go and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best smart touch switch. Number 1. Livolo smart touch switch, and the feature is panel material, tempered crystal glass panel. Self-consuming power, less than 0.1. Mechanical life, 100,000 times of operation. Size, 80 mm into 80 mm into 32 mm. Warranty, 1 year. Let's go for number 2. Switch, home smart touch switch, and the feature is material, plastic. Size 86 into 86 into 36 mm. Remote distance, 22 meters. Mechanical life, 100,000 times. Warranty, 1. Let's go for number 3. Eruiklink smart touch switch, and the feature is material, plastic. Panel material, crystal tempered glass. Panel design, integrated panel design, waterproof and anti-creeping, safe to use. PIC processor, new imported PIC processor, for nice sensitivity and stable performance. Size, 86 into 86 into 36 mm.